What if losing a court case didn't just end your legal battle, but also left you staring at a bill worth millions of dollars? That's exactly where Prince Harry now finds himself. After years of fighting one of Britain's biggest newspaper publishers over alleged unlawful information gathering, Harry and his fellow claimants have suffered another major setback. And now they could be forced to pay at least $13.3 million as the legal battle enters yet another dramatic chapter. Here's everything you need to know. The latest development comes after lawyers representing Associated Newspaper Limited, or ANL, the publisher of the Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday, appeared in a London court. They argued that Prince Harry and the other claimants should make an interim payment of $13.3 million toward the company's legal costs. This follows a crushing defeat for Harry's side after the High Court dismissed their privacy and unlawful information gathering claims. The legal fight itself dates back nearly 4 years. Harry, along with 7 other high-profile claimants, filed the lawsuit in October 2022. Among the other claimants were singer Elton John, actress Elizabeth Hurley, and Baroness Doreen Lawrence. Together, they accused ANL Publications of carrying out unlawful information gathering over several decades. According to the lawsuit, this included alleged phone hacking, bugging homes and cars, and hiring private investigators to obtain private information. The case eventually went to trial earlier this year. Prince Harry even took the witness stand and denied allegations that many stories about him had actually come from friends or people close to him. Instead, his legal team argued that the articles resulted from unlawful methods. But the court wasn't convinced. In a massive 436-page judgment, Justice Matthew Nicklin dismissed all 97 claims brought by Harry and the other claimants. The judge wrote, "In substance, the claimant's case invites the court to conclude that because the information was private and because Associated cannot positively explain how it was sourced, the article must have been unlawfully sourced. That is not a permissible approach." That finding became the turning point of the entire case. Now comes the financial fallout. According to ANL, the company spent nearly $67 million defending itself during the 4-year legal battle. Its lawyers are now seeking to recover a significant portion of those costs. The publisher has requested an interim payment of $13.3 million from the claimants. Harry's side reportedly offered only $10 million as an advance payment, arguing they have approximately $21 million in insurance coverage available to cover potential legal expenses. However, ANL says that simply isn't enough. The company is also asking the court to consider what's known as an indemnity basis costs order. This is a stricter legal standard that could allow the winning side to recover even more of its legal expenses than under normal court rules. ANL's lawyer, Anthony White, didn't hold back during the hearing. He argued the lawsuit brought by Harry and the other claimants was a banquet of litigation based on baseless allegations. According to White, the claimants' conduct throughout the case went far beyond what would normally be expected in litigation. Meanwhile, ANL also thanked the judge after the ruling. In a statement, the company said, "Associated Newspapers thanks Mr. Justice Nicklin for the patience and wisdom he has displayed throughout this misguided legal action, which has wasted so much valuable court time and more than £50 million in legal costs." The statement continued, "We will look to resolve outstanding issues, including the recovery of the costs we have incurred, while defending ourselves against this egregious litigation." Prince Harry and his legal team, however, strongly disagree with the outcome. Harry and co-claimant Baroness Doreen Lawrence criticized the ruling, describing it as a complete and obvious whitewash. Their lawyer, Nicholas Bacon, also called ANL's financial demand eye-watering. So while the legal claims themselves have already been dismissed, the battle over who pays the enormous legal costs is still very much alive. The final amount Harry and the other claimants may ultimately have to pay depends on what the court decides in the coming hearings. For Prince Harry, this case has become about much more than privacy. What began as an attempt to challenge alleged unlawful information gathering has now turned into a fight over millions of dollars in legal costs. With a possible $13.3 million payment on the table, and the court still deciding how those costs should be shared, the financial consequences could be just as significant as the legal defeat itself. As this high-profile courtroom battle continues, all eyes will remain on London's High Court to see what comes next for Prince Harry and the rest of the claimants.